Welcome to a colorful coloring adventure with our dolphin friends. Let's explore the beautiful world of colors while learning to color these cute dolphins. Together, let's fill their pictures with bright colors and unleash our creativity. Don't forget, little friends can keep learning and playing by watching exciting videos on the Fun and Learn Junior channel. Let's start our colorful adventure now. Let's start learning how to color dolphins. Are you ready? Gray color. Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Light blue color. Yes, very good and excellent. Let's learn to color with other bright colors. Are you happy? Yay! Yellow color. Gray color. Yellow color. Blue color. Orange color. Blue color. Yes, very good and excellent. Good. Now you're good at coloring dolphin fish. Keep learning to get smarter. Don't forget to tell your friends about this interesting YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.